Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and lately we've been wrapping a lot of Cybertrucks, and this is a huge trend within the Cybertruck community happening all over the country. Now, some of the most popular colors that we've seen so far have been number one, gloss black or satin black, but we are also seeing a lot of requests for different tones of red, burgundy, and everything along that color palette lineup. Take a look at this color that combines both of them together, brought to you by TMaxx, Nero Rosso, metallic Nero Rosso. As you take a look at this Cybertruck and you walk around it, you'll notice that in the shade or when the sun's not directly hitting it, it looks black. And then once it gets a little bit of some sun rays on it or some light, all of a sudden it comes alive with this Rosso metallic flake inside this color change PPF. You get a little bit of black, you get a little bit of red, you get the metallic, which really makes it all pop. This might be my favorite, newest color to wrap a Cybertruck in. And another thing that I like about this particular color on a Cybertruck is that, as you can see, with all the different angles of the panels, the creases, the sharp lines, many a times you could see this area being one particular color, like let's say black or Nero, and then the rest of the door Rosso. That is one of the most beautiful things about wrapping a Cybertruck, especially if you're using a metallic or a color shift PPF film or even vinyl. This truck is super cool. It's never been done before. This is a world's first, and I'm so proud to share it with you. Now, this customer did not stop there. He wanted to change up his wheels, and that is probably the second most popular thing that we're doing to Cybertrucks. And this customer chose our CTM wheels, my personal favorite, finished in gloss black, of course, in 22-inch. You know, I roll on the 24s, and that's our number one seller. And the Cybertruck comes with 20s, but a 22 is a really nice happy medium. Not too tall, got a little bit more sidewall, and thanks to our friends at Falcon with these all-terrain tires, it's a perfect fit. It looks really good every single time. So gloss black, fully forged wheels on this Cybertruck. The wrap is done, the window tint is done, and this Cybertruck is ready to go home to its customer later on today. But before we deliver a Cybertruck or any vehicle that we've wrapped using PPF film, we go the extra step for you here at T-Sportline, because we have been recognized by Carfax, the leader in reporting about a history of a vehicle, something that's very important people interact with when they buy a used vehicle. And when you wrap your vehicle in PPF, paint protection film, protect the stainless steel, you've spent a lot of money and you've added value to your Cybertruck. And when you go to sell your Cybertruck, it's probably going to come up as a request for a premium that you would like to recapture as much as possible on what you spent for having the vehicle wrapped in PPF. Back to Carfax. We're going to register your vehicle as being wrapped by a certified, recognized company, T-Sportline, by Carfax. It'll be on your Carfax, which will assist with added value when it comes time to resell. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.